Hello. This is odd. Never in my life did I expect to glue rhinestones to my face, nor fake leaves to myself. But there's a first time for everything, and today is, you know, the day. I decided I wanted to do a poison ivy look because I already have red hair, and I thought this would be a kind of easier look for me to do without having to spray my hair or wear a wig or just have my hair up so you can't really tell. This rhinestone, it feels like it's gonna crack off at any moment. But this is, from the title you already know, a poison ivy tutorial. This is a simple tutorial. You don't have to put the leaves on yourself. You don't have to glue rhinestones onto your face. It's all you. You can literally just do like the beauty makeup side of it and buy a poison ivy costume. I found these leaves and the rhinestones at my local Dollar Tree. And yeah. Anastasia, Subculture, Morphe and Jeffree Star, and a little bit out of the James Charles palette, like literally one color. This lipstick I'm wearing is currently my favorite red lipstick. It's a little bit more dark and it is a blue tone lipstick, so it makes your teeth look a little whiter. This is the e.l.f. matte lipstick in Red Vixen, not dollar store, drugstore, super affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look. If you do recreate it or spark any inspiration from this look, please tag me in it on Instagram. Mine is always linked down below in the description box. And if you enjoy while you're watching, please give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of Halloween. Let's get into the video, guys.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Open up, you OPN. Hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open open.
So that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more spooky shit all 31 days of October. This was so much fun. I'm so happy I went to the Dollar Tree yesterday, which is where I found these and these. Yeah, no. This is a weird look. I don't buy like costumes for this yet. I might next year, but as of right now I don't buy costumes for this, which is why I'm just wearing a green like tank top and I have it slightly off my shoulders so it looks maybe a little bit fancier. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I will see you all tomorrow.